What's up, guys? Welcome back to the next video on learning PHP. My name is QTS Danny. You guys watching my channel Koreawood. Alright, so in the previous video we have discussed these operators. We said there is an assignment operator, arithmetic operator, comparison operator, and logical operator. So far we have discussed this assignment operator. So in this video we're gonna see what is this arithmetic operator. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and we create our H1 operators and H3. So we're gonna copy that. I'm gonna leave it. I was thinking to delete these ones and to start the new one. So what happens that if you guys getting distracted or anything, so what I'll do is I'm gonna go maybe and create another file here, and I'm gonna name it arithmetic operator. So don't forget, you guys, to create this PHP. And we're gonna close our tag there. Alright, so in this video we're gonna see, as I said, we're gonna see the arithmetic operator, because I was thinking to put it here, but I'm not gonna put it there because it's very confusing for you guys looking at this code and looking at the different ones. So here we're gonna create this arithmetic operator. We're gonna come here and say we're gonna put our HTML here. As I said, the PHP is a preprocessor, so you guys can put it on top. But if you guys say, if you guys put it in here, I'm gonna show you guys in the videos, in the future videos, when we start the full-scale PHP. When you guys put it in the third line, it's gonna give you guys error. So don't forget that. PHP always should come on top when you guys doing full-scale PHP object-oriented programming. Alright, so we're coming here, and inside our body we're gonna leave that H. We're gonna see our H3. We say arithmetic, say operator. Okay, so we're coming down, and not operator, but we're coming back to application. We're going back, and you guys look at here. Arithmetic operator, which is here, and that's the third file. So this is the root of our folder. This is the root, we call it root. So when you guys press this one, it means this is the root, this is the beginning, and this is the second one here in line. So the application, because Sublime Text goes according to the alphabetically, so like this. Alright, so we're gonna come here at the arithmetic operator, and if you guys can put it here, your style and text align, and we're gonna put it center. So we want to see this one in center. Okay, that one's in the center. Now we're going to create our PHP arithmetic operator. What is arithmetic? Arithmetic operator is like a plus minus. It's a plus, it's a minus, it's multiplication, is division, and it's a modulus. Okay, so we're gonna see one by one what that means. So we say $, say my value. So my value is the first value, and that my value's got, say, 100. And then your say your value, that's not a very good name to suggest. So you put a value 1, and we create the second one as a value 2, and the value 2's got a 200. The value 1's got a 100, and the value 2's got a 200. Alright, so we're going to perform our arithmetic operator in these two values. Alright, so how we're going to create this, our arithmetic operator? So first of all, we coming here inside the PHP again. Say we say PHP. Okay, so we're gonna echo our original values. So we're gonna see echo, and our echo is gonna be, say we say we want to see put a paragraph, and we want to close our paragraph here, and inside this one, in this one we gonna display our display the two values. So the first of all, we're gonna print the two values. So the value of value 1 is okay, value 1 and the value of value 2 is, we put a dollar value 2. All right, now we have a problem here, so I'm going to show you guys what is the problem, because we put a dollar sign here and you guys dollar sign, but inside this PHP print statement, I'm going to show you guys what is the problem. Okay, the value of 100 is 100 and the value of 200 is 200. Did you guys see the problem? The value of 100 is, which is our value 1, and the value of 200 is 200. That makes no sense, because the PHP here is treating these two guys as the value 1, because this is a variable 1 and the variable 2. This one's got 100 and this one's got a 200. So the value 2's got a 200, but when we printing here, this showing is not variable name. This not showing the variable name, but it's only showing the value of that variable. So the value of 100 of variable 1 is 100 and the 2 is 200. So how we gonna see our variable to be displayed? So in order for you guys, if you guys want to display your variable, so you guys just add this one at the backslash. So you guys can add backslash, and you guys can add backslash here. So when you guys put this backslash, we can see our variable name. So you guys can see here the value of dollar variable 1 is, value 1 is 100 and the value 2 is 200. So that's how we're gonna display our variable. Okay, so now we can see our variable, which is 100, and the variable 2 is 200. All right, so the first one, we're gonna see the addition. So how we're gonna add the two variables? Okay, so now we do the sum. We go the sum is equal to value 1. Okay, so this one is value 1 plus, because we do the summation of value 2. First value, say value 2. Oh, so the value 1 and the value 2. Okay, I'm going to change this because this looks very sum of value 1. Say we're going to put it 400, and say we're going to put this one, say for example 900. Okay, so now we're gonna come the summation, and we're gonna copy that one, we're gonna put it down. Okay, the value of value 1, the summation, the sum of value 1 and the value 2 is, so the sum of value 1 and value 2 is, we put a sum here. Alright, so we look at here the sum of value 1 and value 2 is, because we're putting the backslash, so there's a backslash here. Okay, so that's the sum. This sum's got the value of these two, and we're going to display. Okay, the sum of value 1 and the value 2 is 1300, because the 400 plus 900 is 1300. That's the sum. Alright, so we're gonna code subtraction. So we're gonna say subtract is equal to value 1 minus value 2. Okay, so now we're gonna come here and we do another one. Okay, so you guys can do equal, and inside this equal you guys can draw a line. So okay, so now we doing subtraction. We do subtraction, subtract value of value 1 and value 2 is the because we're doing the subtraction and we have the variable sub, subtraction. Okay, so that's our line, because we put a HR. If you guys don't know, that's our the subtracted value of value 1 and value 2 is 500. $400 minus 900 is 500. Alright, so the third one is multiplication and division. So we put an equal again and we put a HR. Okay, so the multiplication, I'm gonna bring this one down and we're gonna go on top. So you guys can copy this, or you guys can bring this. Multi is equal to value 1 multiply value 2. Okay, so now multi has got that multiplication value is, so we put a multi value of value 1 and value 2 is multi, and if you guys look at here, we have multiply and we're giving the value to this multi. Okay, so you guys see our line, that's our line, that's multiplication of whatever the numbers you're getting, that's because of value 1 and value 2, that's the multiplication. And if you guys coming down, and because I'm a bit lazy, I want to copy all those on top, and I'm gonna come here and the division, so our, if you put a divided value of, and we put in our divide, and we putting this divide here. Divide is equal to value 1 value 2. Okay, this line here is division. So if you guys don't know, that's how if we divide, that's what we get. Alright, so the last one, I'm gonna put a modulo. Alright, so I'm gonna put a modulo value 1, and you guys see here there is a percentage sign here, and I'm going to show you guys, if you guys can see, there is a percentage sign here of value 1 and value 2. So now this modulus got that variable, and we coming down here and we put a modulo value 1 and value 2 is modulus. Okay, that's 400. Alright, so guys, we have done our arithmetic operator. We have a value 1, our value 2, and we have done our summation. We have done our subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. So that's how that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 arithmetic operators PHP. So I'm going to bring it here. Alright, thanks for watching. That's it for this video, guys. In the next video we're gonna see the comparison operator, and if you like the video, thumbs up. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.